Picture-perfect surveillance, live stream and record footage in crystal clear 1080p HD. The 135 degrees diagonal field of view allows you to see exactly what is happening in and around your home. Half-year security from one charge. Avoid frequent trips to charge the battery and enjoy 180-day battery life from just one charge. Detailed night vision. View recordings or live footage in crisp clarity, even at night, for a clear view of whoâ there. The alerts that matter. Human detection technology enables the camera to intelligently detect body shape and face pattern, ensuring you are only alerted when a person, and not a stray cat, approaches. Ready for any weather. With an IP67 weatherproof rating, eufyCam 2C is built to withstand the elements. Top reviews from the United States. I researched several security cameras and doorbells and went with eufy because they do not require you to purchase a monthly subscription. The 2C Pro camera system is super easy to install. The picture, video quality, night vision, and view angle are incredible. One of the great upgrades to the 2C Pro is it now has the same Sony sensor as the 2 Pro, which gives you superior night vision, and you still have the LED spotlight. The LED spotlight works well if the camera is installed by other lights. If the camera is not by other lights, I have found the video with just the night vision is superior to the color night vision with the LED light on. I connected this system to the eufy wireless doorbell and it works great together. The app and installation are super easy to follow, and the number of customization options for scheduling and options within the app are incredible. It is super easy to change settings, notifications, schedules, etc. The link between the cameras and doorbell works very well for security. You can set it up so if once is activated they will all start recording. Make sure you update the firmware on the cameras within the app when you go to install. I have only had the 2C Pro cameras for 2 weeks and it has blown away my expectations. Eufy is working on memory expansion for the base, and that would be my only criticism, as 16 GB is not enough internal storage. I did purchase the black silicone covers for the camera system to provide extra outdoor durability, and I would highly recommend them. Overall, this is a top-notch system.